Hey there, welcome to Storm Door Guy, your ultimate resource for everything related to storm doors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of storm doors, why they're a smart addition to any home, how they can improve your living space, and what to look for when choosing the right one. Whether you're looking to save on energy bills, boost your home's security, or just let in more natural light, I've got you covered. So let's jump right in. The benefits of adding a storm door. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a storm door? And why should you consider adding one to your home? A storm door is an extra door installed in front of your main entry door. It serves multiple purposes: protection from the elements, energy efficiency, and even enhanced security. One of the biggest advantages of a storm door is its ability to protect your main door from harsh weather. Whether it's rain, snow, or wind, a storm door acts as a barrier, keeping the elements out and prolonging the life of your entry door. But that's not all. Storm doors are also fantastic for improving your home's energy efficiency. By adding an extra layer of insulation, a storm door helps to keep warm air in during the winter and cool air in during the summer, which can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs. And let's not forget about security. Many storm doors come with heavy-duty locks and shatter-resistant glass, adding an extra layer of protection to your home. It's an easy way to boost your home's security without breaking the bank.